The content you are about to watch has been meticulously reviewed by a professional electrical engineer working in a power utility company, ensuring the highest levels of accuracy, reliability, and practical applicability for everyday homeowners. Are you tired of seeing your electricity bills climb higher each month, sometimes by 20% or more due to unseen inefficiencies? Understanding exactly where your energy goes, from appliances to lighting, is the crucial first step towards achieving significant, long-term savings on your utility costs. Many everyday factors contribute to your overall energy usage, including outdated appliances that guzzle power, inefficient incandescent lighting that wastes electricity, and old heating systems that run unnecessarily, all adding up to higher bills. Even small, simple changes in your daily habits, like unplugging devices or adjusting thermostat settings, can lead to substantial reductions in your overall energy consumption, potentially saving you hundreds of dollars annually. One of the most impactful and proven ways to slash your electricity bills is by embracing renewable energy sources, specifically through the installation of a grid-tied solar system that integrates seamlessly with your home's power needs. These advanced grid-tied solar systems allow you to generate your own clean, renewable electricity right on your rooftop, significantly reducing your reliance on the traditional grid and directly lowering your monthly utility costs by offsetting a large portion of your usage. Any excess electricity produced by your solar panels during peak sunlight hours can often be sold back to the utility company through net metering programs, further offsetting your expenses and sometimes even earning you credits on future bills. Investing in solar energy is not just beneficial for your wallet, with potential payback periods as short as 5 to 7 years. It's also a significant and rewarding step towards adopting a more sustainable, environmentally friendly lifestyle that reduces your carbon footprint. Another innovative and cost-effective solution for achieving energy savings is the installation of occupancy sensors specifically designed for controlling your fans and lights in various rooms throughout your home. These intelligent smart devices automatically detect movement and turn off lights and fans in unoccupied rooms after a short delay, effectively preventing wasted energy consumption when no one is present, which can save up to 30% on lighting costs alone. Imagine the peace of mind from never having to worry about accidentally leaving lights on in an empty guest room, bathroom, or garage again, as these sensors handle it effortlessly for you. Occupancy sensors prove particularly effective in high-traffic yet intermittent areas like hallways where people pass through briefly, utility rooms used sporadically for laundry, and home offices that might be empty for hours at a time. Beyond the benefits of solar panels and sensors, upgrading to modern energy-efficient appliances represents a straightforward way to dramatically cut down your daily electricity consumption and see immediate reductions in your bills. When shopping, always look for appliances with high energy efficiency ratings, such as those certified by Energy Star, as they are engineered to perform essential functions like washing or cooling using significantly less power while maintaining top performance. Replacing those old, energy-hungry incandescent bulbs with modern LED lighting is another simple, quick, and powerful strategy to save both energy and money in your household lighting setup. LED bulbs consume up to 75% less electricity than traditional incandescents and boast a lifespan of 25 times longer, which not only reduces your energy bills, but also minimizes the hassle and cost of frequent replacements over time. Proper insulation throughout your home, especially in walls, attics, and floors, is absolutely crucial for maintaining comfortable indoor temperatures year-round without overworking your heating and cooling systems excessively. Additionally, sealing common air leaks around windows, doors, and outlets with weather stripping or caulk can prevent valuable conditioned air from escaping, thereby making your entire home far more energy efficient and comfortable. Smart thermostats provide advanced, user-friendly control over your home's climate, enabling you to easily program specific temperatures based on your daily or weekly schedule to avoid unnecessary energy use. These innovative devices even learn your habits over time and can adjust settings remotely via a smartphone app, optimizing both your comfort levels and energy savings with precision and convenience. To get started effectively, consider conducting a comprehensive home energy audit, which helps identify specific areas like drafts or inefficient fixtures where your home might be losing energy unnecessarily. A professional energy audit, often available through local utilities at low or no cost, can precisely pinpoint these inefficiencies and recommend tailored, practical solutions customized to your unique home layout and lifestyle. Don't overlook the habit of unplugging electronics when not in use, a phenomenon known as vampire drain or standby power, which quietly contributes to unnecessary energy consumption across your household. Even when turned off, many devices like TVs, chargers, and computers draw a small but persistent amount of power in standby mode, which can add up to 10% or more of your monthly bill over time if left unchecked. Make it a point to utilize natural light whenever possible by simply opening curtains and blinds during daylight hours to illuminate your living spaces. This effortless habit not only reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day, but also can brighten your home naturally, creating a more inviting atmosphere while cutting down on electricity use. By thoughtfully implementing these proven strategies, from solar installations and smart sensors to efficient appliances and better habits, you can take full control of your electricity consumption and enjoy substantial, lasting savings on your bills. Remember, every step you take, whether big like adding solar or small like switching to LEDs, contributes meaningfully to a more efficient, cost-saving home and ultimately supports a healthier, more sustainable planet for future generations. So, start your journey towards dramatically lower electricity bills right today and make a positive, impactful difference not just for your personal finances, but also for the broader environment around you. If you found this detailed information helpful and actionable, please give this video a thumbs up by liking it and subscribe to our channel for even more practical tips, in-depth insights, and expert advice on saving energy and money.